everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Rachna Prasad. I hope you all are doing well and thank you for being here. So I'm back with another book review, and today I will be doing a book review of Gangs of Social Media by Wasim Raja Bhavikatti. Now this book is based on the fake news that us and many others forward on social media. So let me tell you what fake news basically is. So fake news is something that we receive as a message or as a post on Instagram or Facebook, which is irrelevant and is baseless. Fake news are in form of religious content or medicinal content. There are so many types of fake news. You name it and you have it. So the concept of this book is very unique. The author shared how harmful fake news can be, and he also shared some solutions for it. So that was really amazing about this book. Personally, I received so many fake news in this pandemic telling me how to cure corona. So getting into the book, this book begins when three people who are well educated, well settled, who us Indian would call sophisticated people. So these three people, they have a habit of sharing fake news on social media. I mean, they are educated, but when they are sharing these messages, they don't really check. They don't really do a background check. They just receive it, they just forward it. So what happens is like another day for them, and they are checking their WhatsApp groups, they are checking their Facebook feed. So there are some religious messages, there are some COVID related messages. So what they do is they click on these messages, read them and forward them, but this time it's something bad going to happen. So what happens is when they forward these messages, their phones and their laptops stop working ultimately, and there is a message on their screen, and that message says you have forwarded a fake news, you didn't check what it was, and you have to pay this amount in 12 hours or your data will be public. So now they have only 12 hours to find out what really happened, and they are really panicking. And this is not only happening with these three people, but there are millions of people in India who have been forwarding fake news, who have been a target of this warning. So then this news goes to the Home Minister, and then there are all the official personnel involved in this dilemma. There is this cyber psychologist called Professor Fabulous. It's involved in this, and then they all try to solve like who did this, what was the reason. So after the government officials and many experts are involved in this case, they have only 11 hours to find out who did this or how to solve this problem. So and that really gets exciting because they are all very confused and very troubled in order to find out who really did this. That was really fun to read. You know, there's not only this fake news thing happening, right? There are consequences of fake news that are faced by some people in a very cruel way. So that was the dark part of this book, and I really liked it because it's the reality of today's world. So I really liked how the author introduced the concept in a fictional way, but also having a strong grip on his readers. And you know, the book won't really bore you. It's a very short read and it's a very pacey book. The only problem I had with this book is I wanted it to be a little long, because the concept was so beautiful and the author the storyline was so good that I didn't really want this book to finish. The development of plot and characters were also very intriguing. There are some technological data and some psychological facts shared in this book that will fascinate you. And you know, the concept is really very fascinating and interesting, like how one social media post can turn around your life in a minute. And yeah, you can take a lot of learnings from this book. You just can't really read it for fun, because yeah, the book gives you fun, but you learn from it too. And at the end of the book, there is one, actually no, there are two solutions presented in this book to stop fake news, which was really great. And you know, the reality of our media, our government was also shown in this book, which I really liked, because we really need that right now. And as I said, there is a dark part in this book, so that's where the real twist comes. and you won't even know that the book will take this big turn in the middle. This book had a very small problem. There were some grammatical mistakes and the editing could have been better, but I ignored them all because I really liked the book, I really liked the concept. So yeah, you can ignore them because at the end of the day this is a really good book and the concept is amazing. So I think you guys should really give this book a try. You should definitely read this, and this is highly recommended from me. So this book also teaches you that being a good citizen is not only being a patriotic person, but also not making and avoiding these small mistakes that can cost you a lot more. Let me know if you guys have received any fake messages during this COVID-19 time, because I have, and I am sure many of you must have received fake messages too. And I would like to thank the author for writing such an amazing book and providing me with the copy. This was really a great read for me. Again, you guys should really read this. I am leaving a link in my description. Do check it out. Definitely give it a read. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned till then. Bye.